Okay, well, let's quickly go across to Hormaz now, who is standing by with the big movers and shakers on Friday. And I'm sure Muthoot, Grow, etc. perhaps find a mention there. Hormaz, morning.
Morning, Prashant. Muthoot does find a mention, but the bigger outperformer on Friday was IPCA Laboratories. There's some positive commentary coming in from the management call from after its results. The stock was up almost 14%, the top gainer among the Nifty 500 names. The volumes on Friday were 8x of those on Thursday after the results were reported, and almost 41 lakh shares traded. The 20-day average is only 1.5 lakh. And out of those 41 lakh shares, 6.5 lakh shares were marked for delivery compared to the 20-day average of less than 75,000 shares. So delivery-based buying on strong volumes as well for IPCA Laboratories. The stock is still down 14% though on a year-to-date basis. Now, Muthoot Finance ended at a record high on Friday, and it's been moving. It's been gaining in 5 out of the last 6 trading sessions. The stock had close to 50 lakh shares traded. The 20-day average was just 5.5 lakh. And out of those 50 lakh shares, close to 7 lakh shares were marked for delivery. The 20-day average here is 2.5 lakh shares, and it's been an outperformer this year. It's up almost 70% on a year-to-date basis. On the downside, though, Allcargo Terminals was the top loser on the BSE small cap on Friday, down around about 10%. And this was after it had a 3-day gaining streak, and it has given up almost all of those gains that it had 3 days prior. And the second straight session of more than 15 lakh shares that were traded in a single trading session happened on Thursday, happened on Friday as well. The 20-day average is only 5.5 lakh shares, and out of those 15 lakh shares, close to 10 lakh shares were marked for delivery, and here the 20-day average was only 2.5 lakh shares. Lastly, GE Power was another earnings reaction on Friday. It was the 4th straight day of gains for the stock. Had a similar move back in August as well on very strong volumes. And here too, with close to 45 lakh shares traded, the 20-day average is less than 1 lakh. And out of those 45 lakh shares, 7 lakh shares were marked for delivery. And here the 20-day average is less than 50,000 shares.
Thanks a lot, Hormaz, for that. Well, let's